Welcome to my channel. Linksys extender setup. Unbox and plug in the extender. Plug the extender into an electrical outlet near your router. Connect to the extender. Use a device such as a laptop, tablet, or smartphone to connect to the extender's temporary Wi-Fi network. Open a web browser and type http://extender.linksys.com in the address bar, press enter. If prompted, log in. For first-time setup, the default credentials are often username, admin password, admin, or leave it blank. Configure the extender. Select your existing Wi-Fi network, the one you want to extend, and enter its password. Choose a new name, SSID, for the extended network, or use the same name as your main network for seamless connectivity. Reposition the extender. After the setup is complete, unplug the extender and move it to a location halfway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi. Plug it into a power outlet and wait for the light to stabilize, green or blue, depending on the model. Use the extender signal strength indicator, if available, to ensure optimal placement. Connect your devices. Connect your devices to the extended network using the new or same SSID. Test the Wi-Fi signal strength and ensure the extender is working effectively. Thanks for watching.